Hello everyone and welcome to GigaBits. In this video, we're comparing iRedMail, Mailcow, and Mailu, three leading open source solutions for running your own email server. iRedMail is an all-in-one mail server that includes components like Postfix, Dovecot, Spam Assassin, ClamAV, and Roundcube for full webmail functionality. It supports unlimited accounts, multiple domains, and is ideal for users who want complete control over their mail infrastructure. Mailcow, on the other hand, is a Docker-based suite that also includes Postfix and Dovecot, but adds a modern admin panel and simplified management for multiple domains. It's beginner-friendly, easy to deploy, and includes built-in spam and antivirus protection. Mailu offers a modular, lightweight approach for those who prefer to customize their setup, though it requires more configuration experience. So which one should you choose? If you prefer a more hands-on setup and full control, go with iRedMail. If you want something simpler and ready to use, Mailcow is the better option. And for users seeking flexibility with containerized deployments, Mailu provides a nice balance. That's it for today's comparison. Thanks for watching GigaBits.